I'm Mark, Senior Engineer at the Gigafactory. Today, I'll take you inside real Tesla manufacturing so you can see how a car becomes a machine. From aluminum to battery to final assembly, every step is controlled, tested, and engineered to perfection.
Tesla starts with lightweight, high-grade aluminum, the foundation of structural strength.
Robotic welding ensures consistent joint strength across every connection.
Human verification remains essential. Nothing replaces direct evaluation.
Painting is controlled under strict clean conditions to ensure surface integrity.
Electrostatic application creates a perfectly even finish.
Now arrives the battery, the core of Tesla energy storage.
Floor-mounted placement lowers center of gravity for stability. Electric torque replaces combustion, power without explosion.
Electronics connect sensors, controls, displays, and safety systems.
Comfort and alignment are mathematically positioned.
Every Tesla has a unique identity, digitally tracked. Each unit undergoes performance calibration. Energy efficiency and braking recovery are measured. No component is left unchecked before final handoff.
This is the manufacturing journey, from raw material to refined electric motion.
Once function is verified, we test real-world motion inside controlled grounds.
Ride comfort and suspension response are fine-tuned for stability.
Data from every stage is stored and reviewed. Sensors interpret environment, enabling driver assist functions. Interface clarity ensures safe and intuitive control.
Here, the machine is complete.
Every panel, every joint, precision aligned. from controlled assembly to real environment.
Silent motion with powerful acceleration.
A system built to function with clean energy.
Each one part of a growing electric fleet.
Scale and precision. Multiplied thousands of times.
This is Tesla manufacturing, as real as the machine it creates.
The future is here, and it's electric. This is the new Tesla Model S.
From metal to movement. This is the mechanism behind Tesla.